back to my YouTube channel. This is Devansh, and today we are going to build a app and basically an Android app which is a video downloader app. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn ID, and if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can connect with me. So yeah, this is the app that I developed around like 2 months ago, which is a built um, on Kotlin. Basically, I built it using Kotlin, okay, and Python as well
This is the bench. So I have created.
for the backend part. Okay, so this is the video that you can see in the uh, this is the video basically what the app will actually. So you can paste the link of a YouTube video or short Instagram reels, Twitter videos, LinkedIn videos, and the app would download it. Okay, so you can see the message snack bar on the top, and now just see in the gallery we have the video downloaded. Yeah, this is the video that was downloaded. Okay, so we'll be developing this app. This is going to be a series of videos. Okay, this is the current this video is the introduction video. Okay, after this there will be a video where we'll be creating the UI part. For the UI part we'll be using XML, and for the backend we'll be using Kotlin. Okay, so I'll cover everything from basics. Okay, so today let's set up our project. Just simply hit on new project if you are new. So over here we have to select empty views activity. Empty activity is when you want to write the front end in Jetpack Compose. Okay, so for the front end part we are using XML, right? So we'll select empty views activity and click next. And over here name your app, let's say something like a VTYT. Okay, you can have like all downloader. Okay, all downloader. Nice. So this is the package name, which is the unique identifier for your app, and this is the location where your app source code is like saved on your device. Language will be using Kotlin. For that, minimum SDK is API 24, and build configuration is Kotlin DSL. Just simply click on finish. Right. It will take few minutes to set up the project. Okay. Once it's completed, then we'll after this we'll carry on from the next video. Okay,